Hi, I am Anine from Zimbabwe. I want to be a pilot but I don't know where to start. Until I discovered Aviationfly.com. I'm so excited to reach my pilot dreams. Here are some of the things you need to do before starting your pilot training. Research what kind of pilot you want to be and the pilot license required. You may use Google, YouTube, online forums, or aviationfly.com on your research. You should also possess these basic requirements. You should be at least 17 years old. You should be at least a high school graduate. You should be able to speak, understand, write, and read in English. You should also pass the doctor's examination and possess a valid medical certificate. Take note that the basic requirements may vary depending on where you are planning to do your pilot training. Here are the different training stages. First, you need to have a student pilot license. This license allows you to start your pilot training with a licensed instructor. After that, you need to have a private pilot license. This allows you to fly as a hobby or for leisure. After that, you need to have a commercial pilot license. This license allows you to be paid for your flying services. Here are some of the careers you can pursue after getting your commercial pilot license.
Airline pilot, corporate or business aviation pilot, cargo pilot, charter or air taxi pilot, flight instructor, medical or air ambulance pilot, agricultural pilot.
One of the questions we are always getting is, can I be a pilot if I am a woman? Continue watching to know more. For so long, the aviation industry has been a male-dominated industry. Out of all the pilots in the world, not even 10% are women. Some women may even think, I didn't even know you could be a pilot if you are a woman. I thought that was a man's job. There are a lot of reasons to explain this large difference, with societal misconceptions being a big factor. With the misconception that aviation is an industry for men, many women find it hard to look for role models to look up to. But that shouldn't be the case. There is no specific characteristic or skill that would make a male pilot better than a female pilot. There is no particular skill set that a pilot needs that's based on their gender. Light hand controls is used when flying an aircraft, so it's not an issue of strength. Both men and women are capable of becoming great pilots. So yes, women can become pilot given that they pass all the requirements and examinations. Do you have any more questions about pilot training? Comment below.